Right, before we go any further, I just want to take a couple of minutes to explain the purpose of this next step. Because I keep talking about this website skin, but I just want to show you whereabouts it fits into what we've been doing in the previous few steps. So this is how our site is made up. There's three main components to it. There's what we call the content of the site, which is all the text and the images we're going to put on the individual pages. We've not actually got to that bit yet. We've got the website platform, which, as we know, is WordPress, and then we've got the website skin. I keep calling it skin, but it's formally called a website theme, and it's just I call it a skin because you've got the platform, which is like the skeleton, but then at the minute, you know, when you look at the WordPress site when it's just been installed, it's a bit bare. It's just the bones of it, so that's why I call that bit the skeleton. And the way you make a skeleton look like, you know, a bit prettier is to put a skin on it. You wrap a skin around it, which gives it, you know, its uniqueness. And that's what we're going to be doing next. So the content, we write this. We put the text and the images in, which we'll do a little bit later. And this stuff is stored in the database. If you remember, in a couple of steps back, when we went into cPanel, and we went to use the smiley face icon, which was the Fantastico thing, that automatically installed WordPress for us and saved us tons of time, and we didn't need to know anything technical, it just did it for us. As part of that process, do you remember it said it's created a database for us, and the purpose of that database is to house or store all of the text and the images that we'll be putting in. So as I say, the platform, that's WordPress, and the theme and the skin, this is made with special software, which is the Artistia thing. Now, I'm not saying every web design agency uses this recipe. I'm not saying that at all. All I'm promising is, with this program that you're going through, is that the result you will get will be an agency grade website that they would have charged you 5,000 quid for. And you'll be able to do this yourself, get the same results using this process, this step-by-step process, using the ingredients that I recommend, and you'll get the same result, because that's what we want. We want the results, we want control, and we want the value without spending tons of money on it. So now let's dive into Artistia itself and start using it.